Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. This is the third episode of series Big Bang to Big Freeze, the complete timeline of the universe. For the first few 100,000 years, the universe was a hot, opaque fog. It was so hot that electrons could not bind to atomic nuclei. Light, in the form of photons, was constantly bouncing off these free electrons and protons like headlights in a thick fog. The universe was dark to our eyes because light could not travel in a straight line. This changed when the universe expanded and cooled enough to drop below a critical temperature. For the first time, the electrons were captured by the protons to form neutral hydrogen atoms. This event, called recombination, effectively cleared the cosmic fog. The universe became transparent. The light that had been trapped for hundreds of thousands of years was finally released, radiating in all directions. The ancient light is still traveling through the universe today. Over billions of years, the expansion of space has stretched its wavelengths from visible light down to the microwave part of the spectrum. We call this ancient afterglow the cosmic microwave background, or CMB. It is the oldest light in existence, a baby picture of the universe at just 380,000 years old, first theorized by Ralph Elfer and Robert Herman. By studying the tiny temperature variations in this background light, we can map the seeds of the large-scale structure we see in the universe today. The CMB is remarkably uniform when a temperature of just 2.7 degrees above absolute zero, varying by only a few millionths of a degree in different directions. These tiny variations are incredibly significant. They represent microscopic differences in density in the early universe, which were amplified by gravity over billions of years into the galaxies and clusters we see today. While some alternative cosmologies like the tidalite hypothesis have attempted to explain the CMB differently, they cannot match its precise black body spectrum and detailed temperature variations. The CMB is so precisely predicted by the Big Bang model that is considered one of the most conclusive pieces of evidence in all of science, with virtually no credible scientific opposition to its interpretation. To summarize, here are the three most important physics concepts from today's episode. Point number 1. When the universe cooled enough for atoms to form, the cosmic fog cleared and light was set free. Point number 2. The first light, now stretched into microwaves, is the cosmic microwave background, CMB, the oldest light in existence. Point number 3. Tiny temperature variations in the CMB map the seeds of all future cosmic structures from galaxies to galaxy clusters.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.